Hello! In this video, I will show you how to burp on command. Okay, first, I'm really sorry for my accent, but I'm from Greece and I'm trying my best, you know. It's a foreign language for me. Wait. What the fuck? Oh my god! Okay, when I was younger, I was trying to swallow air like swallowing food, like this. But I couldn't burp because the air I was swallowing wasn't going down on my stomach. All you have to do is push it down to your stomach through your throat. Look. You can hear the noise my throat makes when I swallow the air and when I push it down to my stomach.